Hi, thanks for your question about which frequencies this sound has. My Tibetan singing bowls are not set to any specific key or note or frequency. And if you listen, like with headphones especially, sometimes they play multiple sounds or multiple frequencies at the same time, and it just depends on which one you're tuning into. But what I did here is I used my free tuner app so that it could tell me what note I was hearing most of the time or what it was picking up on, and it shows the hertz frequency there. It changes around a lot, but if there's anything in there that you feel like you want to read more about, you might be able to Google it and see what kind of things come up for that frequency specifically. It's not, I know there's a lot of stuff out there that has specific frequencies and says what it's for. I don't have all of that knowledge yet, and my bowls play different ones, sometimes even at the same time. So I hope this helps. Thanks for your question, and I hope if you can't hear because I'm talking in this one, I have this video on my page without my talking as well, without the tuner and stuff. Thanks. Have a blessed day.